Okay, hello, welcome everyone to the interview that never happened with Steve Farrell of Humanities Team. We had a bit of an unexpected mm, construction crew project from the HOA in our lower crawl space today and was way loud of noise. So we didn't know when they were going to leave the house. So we are rescheduling. And apologies that Michael didn't get the announcement in time to send out an email to all of the signups that today's interview will be rescheduled sometime after April 12th. And I do suggest that you attend live because Steve is a very fascinating uh, teacher and visionary. Okay, so let's do a short meditation for all those that are here and that will be on replay. Okay, let's use the power of the breath to completely still the body, completely relaxing the mind, balancing the emotions, breathing in now the power of peace for the body. And feel as if this energy that we call eternal peace is saturating your lungs, your belly, your brain, and your heart center. As you simply let go of any of the stresses in your life for the moment, areas of concern, worry, and doubt. And come back to center, finding that still point within the heart center, allowing your assemblage point in the center of your chest to reset accordingly with your divine matrix. Letting go of the old world. Begin to bring awareness and focus to the new earth and all of the possibilities of change, transformation, and healing. Allowing the body to naturally ground with the new earth. And make an alignment with the nearest vortex area where you live. It could be a lake, it could be a mountaintop, could be a river, it could be the ocean, it could be the forest. Reconnect with Mother Earth. Drawing up into your body through the feet chakras, the nourishment from the earth for your body, for the elements in your body. We're going to ask for a clearing of your space, your home space. And visualizing a waterfall from God, from Prime Creator, coming over in and around your home, as well as your body and your field. A very cleansing white waterfall of light that's clearing away the old, clearing away that which is no longer needed for your ascension path. Do a gentle, energetic level tapping of the heart. Boosting your immune system. Continue to receive the bathing of the white light all the way through and around your home, into the soil, into the ley lines beneath your home, into your neighborhood. Completely disengaging from the collective astral plane and tribal consciousness and the chaos of the world. Taking that deep peace deep into the solar plexus and your emotional body. Allow the body to reset to your next step. Allow the mind to reset to your next step. We're going to call forth the angels of peace to surround you with their loving embrace and support. Allow a reset of your rainbow bridge, your antakarana, that extends from your body and auric field to your oversoul, your I am. Allow your rainbow bridge to be energetically, vibrationally stronger than any of the events that have are or will occur on the earth. And align your rainbow bridge with the base of your spine, your original 8 cells of creation. And the still point within your heart. Now ask the great central sun, Alpha and Omega, to send to and through your third eye solar waves of activation that will cleanse and purify the sixth chakra and your endocrine gland of any and all misperceptions, illusions, and distortions. Beginning to restore pineal gland's natural positioning in relationship to the great central sun and source energy. And begin to allow a clearing of all dense energies at the base of your skull. Now let that wave of peace circulate within you for the rest of the day. And if you are needing a natural antibiotic energy, call forth the pure silver ray for your body and your energy field. So you may sit in meditation for as long as you need to. I will be signing off. Always remember to drink water and be grounded before driving.
Mahalo nui loa, Kenji, and aloha.